Experience Need for Speed Underground 2 with a remake style mod that brings modern graphics and visual upgrades. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and go to Files and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Now just close it up here and right click on the game icon and the desktop and select the open file location. Open the WinRAR. Just drag and drop these files inside a game folder. Select the replace the file in the destination and select do this and select continue. And now just close it up here. Right click on the textmod.exe and select run as administrator and select yes. Select this big folder icon and navigate to the game folder guys. Program files x86 for speed underground and select the speed2.exe and select open and select the small folder icon and select browse. The same way navigate to the game folder and select the part 1 and select open and select the small folder icon again and select browse and now select the part 2 and select open. Select the small folder icon again and select the part 3 and select open and then select the run option. You just need to wait for at least 3 minutes. Once you are in game, press the enter and load the profile. And I'll show you guys before and after comparison so you can easily compare two of the game. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.